Is your Goodman AC unit running nonstop but not cooling your house? You're not alone. This is a common issue, and it often points to problems within the unit's cooling cycle. The AC system works by absorbing heat indoors, compressing it, and releasing it outside. If it's running constantly without lowering the temperature, something is disrupting this process. Let's dive into some quick fixes you can try. First, check your air filter. A dirty or clogged filter restricts airflow, making your AC work harder and longer. Replace it every 1 to 3 months, or more often if you have pets or allergies. Next, inspect the outdoor unit condenser for any debris blocking the coils. Use a hose to gently clean off any dirt, leaves, or grass clippings. These 2 steps alone can drastically improve airflow and efficiency. If the AC is still running constantly, it might be time to call a professional. If cleaning the filter and coils doesn't solve the problem, the issue could be more complex. Low refrigerant is a frequent culprit, as leaks can deplete the unit's ability to cool. A faulty thermostat could also be sending incorrect signals, causing the AC to run continuously. These issues require a certified HVAC technician. They can accurately diagnose refrigerant levels, repair leaks, and calibrate or replace the thermostat if needed. In the near future, AI-driven predictive maintenance will become more common, using algorithms to detect issues before they cause constant running. Goodman is already integrating smart technology into newer models with features like app-based diagnostics and alerts for potential faults. Staying on top of maintenance and embracing these technological advancements can help prevent constant running and ensure your Goodman AC unit keeps your home cool efficiently.